everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Counting Stars by OneRepublic. This is about an intermediate level dance. So if you don't know some of the steps in this choreography tutorial, I would recommend going and watching the tutorials for those steps, and you can find my tap step tutorials playlist linked in my description box below. And once you're done learning the dance here in this video, you can then go and do it with music with the short that I posted earlier this week, and the link to that short is also in my description box below. So let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to start with some paradiddles, and as a reminder, if at any time I'm going too fast or you need to take a minute to practice something, always remember that you can pause the video, rewind, and also slow it down. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we start with two paradiddles, right side, left side. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then we're going to throw in an 8-count paradiddle on the right, and that's dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel on the right foot. Dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel. Then we're going to do 2 Broadways, left and then right. So that's flap, heel, heel, right side. Okay, let's put that together. So paradiddle, paradiddle, right, left, and then the 8-count paradiddle on the right, and then the 2 Broadways, left, right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-count, Broadway. Nice. From there, our foot's already in the back, so that makes it perfect transition for the drawbacks. So we have 4 drawbacks, left, right, left, right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a Cincinnati on the left, shuffle, heel, drawback. And then shuffle, heel, step on the right side. It's not going to be a full drawback or Cincinnati or a drawback. It's going to just end on this step. So shuffle, heel, step. Okay, and right when you step down, picking up that left foot, because we're going to use that right away. So again, the drawbacks are left, right for 4. Cincinnati left, shuffle, heel, step. Okay, from there we're going to go into 3 Irishes, left, left. And then shuffle, ball change on the right. Okay, so let's go from the top, from the paradiddles. We have 2 paradiddles, 8-count paradiddle, 2 Broadways, 4 drawbacks, and then the 2 Cincinnatis, second one ending with a step instead of a full drawback. Here we go, and then and then 3 Irishes with a shuffle, ball change. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, paradiddle, 8-count, Broadway, drawback, Irish, shuffle, ball change. Nice. From here, we're going to go into 2 buffaloes on the right foot. Now you'll notice that I'm kind of starting from behind. So I'm not starting with that prep into the buffalo that we usually have where the foot comes in front, but you can kind of fake it here. And you can kind of do it like from behind the left foot. The right foot goes behind the left foot. So you kind of pull it up and go from there. Okay? So 2 buffaloes on the right, and then we have a running shuffle for 3. We're going to start with the step on the running shuffle. We're going to go step, shuffle, 2, 3, and step. So we're starting with the right foot step before the shuffle, ending with the left foot step. And that again is 2 buffaloes on the right. Running shuffle for 3. Okay, from here we have 2 flat ball changes, right side, left side. A double cramp roll, which is just like a cramp roll, but you're going to start it with a brush first. That's on the right foot. That's brush, step, step, heel, heel. Brush right, left, left. And then you're going to brush, step, back, right, left. And that's literally, you're here into the cramp roll. You're going to pick up your toe on your right foot and brush step, and then the left foot as well. So the 2 buffaloes here, running shuffle, flat ball change, double cramp roll, brush step, and then we're going to repeat that again from the buffaloes. So right after we do the cramp roll, brush step, right into the buffalo again. Running shuffle, flat ball change, cramp roll. Nice. Okay, from there, let's actually do it from the top. So whole thing from the top, and then we'll add on the last little bit. So from the paradiddles, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 count paradiddle, Broadway, drawback, Irish, shuffle, ball change, buffalo, running shuffle, flat ball change, cramp roll, again buffalo, good, running shuffle, flat ball change, cramp roll, brush step, good. From there, weight is on our left foot because we just finished. So right foot, we're going to start some single time steps. We're going to do 2 of them, right side and then left side. So right foot starts, stomp, hop, step, left side. Then you're going to, from here, we just finished flat step. You're going to drop your left heel and drag your right foot around for 4 counts. So that's heel, drag, drag, drag. Okay? And then we go into a cramp roll on the right, ball change, right, left. Okay? So the single time steps for 2, right side, left side, heel, drag, 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 cramp roll, ball change. And then to finish out this whole thing, we have 2 5-count riffs, right, left. And then an 11-count riff, which is a crossing riff. So forward, over, forward, dig, toe. And then 2 5s, left, right this time. And then we're going to do a riff rhythm turn, left, over, right. And then we're going to repeat that whole riff section with the left foot now. So 2 5-count riffs, then the 11, 2 5s, and turn. And then to finish out the whole thing, right after the turn, you're going to end it with a stomp, stomp. So that's a rhythm turn, right over left, and then stomp, stomp, right, left. Okay? So that whole section there, let's go from the single time steps. So 2 single time steps, right, left. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. Drag, 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 cramp roll, ball change, riff. 11, 2 5s, then turn. 2 5, 11, 2 5s. Now we turn. Ending it with that stomp, stomp. All right, whole thing now, I'm going to talk you through it, and this will be up to tempo, but I'm still saying the steps here, and then we'll do it one more time where we do it up to tempo, but I won't say any of the names of the steps. It'll be a run through for doing it with music. Okay, from the top, here we go, up to tempo. Starts with the paradiddle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 count. Broadway. Drawback. Cincinnati. Irish. Shuffle, ball change, buffalo. Running shuffle. Flat ball change, cramp roll. Back to buffalo. Running shuffle. Flat ball change, cramp roll. Time set. And drag, 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 cramp roll. Ball change, riff. 11, 5, 5, turn, back to 5, 11, 2 5s, and turn. Nicely done. Good. All right, same tempo, but I'm not going to talk you through it, so let's give it a try. Here we go. From the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. I think I missed maybe one of the sounds on that 11 count riff second time through, but very good job on that. Whew, that was a long one. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song or a step suggestion, let me know down in the comments section below. I'm always looking for some new songs and steps that I can make tutorials on for you. All right, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.